guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and this tiny little fuse is the key to our multimeter working. So we had blown the fuses in our multimeter and needed to replace them, and this was the perfect thing that we needed. So it's awesome that I was able to get these really quickly delivered to the door, super affordable, and they worked really well. So once we got them installed in the multimeter, it worked perfect, and we had no issues at all getting them in. And they form a nice solid connection with the contacts inside the device. This was a 2-pack of these fuses. They are 500 milliamp, 1000 volt fast acting ceramic fuses, and they were just the thing that we needed. So these little fuses are just the thing to replace if your multimeter needs new fuses. And they're also a great thing to just keep on hand in case you should have an issue, then you'll already have them ready to go. So we would definitely recommend these, and that's my point of view.